Now to a News4JAX I-Team investigation into the owners of a Jacksonville towing company once used by local law enforcement agencies, a company that is now facing charges of organized fraud. Jacksonville police have charged Gregory and Garrison Gaylord with Southern Wreckage and Recovery with third-degree felonies following an investigation into their business practices. The I-Team's Tarek Miner is joining us with more on the charges these men face and your rights when you hire a towing company. Tarek?
Well, Southern Wrecker and Recovery has been on the law enforcement's radar for at least a year now. A random inspection conducted by the Florida Highway Patrol last July revealed more than a dozen instances of customers being overcharged. The I-Team has also uncovered consumer complaints that go back more than 7 years. Now, we spoke with the president of the Jacksonville Better Business Bureau about your rights if any company tows your vehicle. The consumer complaints against Southern Wrecker and Recovery date back to 2013, according to this document News4JAX obtained from the Florida Department of Agriculture. A driver states that Southern Wrecker and Recovery did not have any of their rates posted at their location and could not provide me a copy of the rates when asked. The driver at the time requested a refund from Southern Wrecker and Recovery President and Vice President Greg and Garrison Gaylord, but it's unclear if the money was refunded. According to investigators with the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office, the father and son now face criminal charges for organized fraud. The details into their arrest remain unclear, but News4JAX has requested the arrest warrant. A 2020 letter, however, the I-Team obtained from the Florida Department of Highway and Public Safety last year reveals 18 instances where the towing company overcharged customers for unauthorized fees. A random inspection revealed customers were overcharged for environmental fees, additional winching fees, and absorbent material fees. In the letter, Southern Wrecker and Recovery was warned that their contract with the Florida Highway Patrol was in jeopardy. The company was later removed from their towing rotation. We wanted to know what rights you have as a driver if you are towed. We asked Better Business Bureau President Tom Stevens.
Once they contact the towing company and say, I want to come get my car and I have the money to bail it out, so to speak, the towing company has to give them an appointment within an hour, has to make it accessible to them within an hour, and they can get the car. They have to provide them with a written invoice that's itemized, showing what the charges are.
Stevens says drivers should make sure to take pictures and video of their vehicles and look for damage. Document everything just in case you need to dispute the service you received with the city of Jacksonville, who oversees Duval's towing industry. If the price to retrieve your car is exorbitantly high, Stevens says that's the signal that the company may be trying to take advantage of the situation.
The biggest red flag would be overcharges and charges for things that aren't normally part of towing.
If you have had an issue with Southern Wrecker and Recovery or another towing company, you can file a complaint with the Better Business Bureau and the Florida Department of Agriculture and Consumer Services. Also, I'd like to hear from you. We have direct links inside the story as well on news4jax.com. Tom?